Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can make a photo collage on Instagram. It's pretty simple. You want to click on your story at the top left of your screen and enter your story screen. From over here you want to click on the camera icon at the top left. Once you're inside camera, you can see the double A button, click on it. And you can even choose the color by clicking on the color palette at the bottom right corner to change the color. After you find the color you like, you can click on the sticker icon at the top of your screen in the middle. From over here, scroll a bit down, and right beside Tuesday you can see a little gallery looking icon. Click on it and then it's going to ask you to choose photo from your gallery. So I will choose some photos from my gallery. So I will choose the first one. Then I can tap on the photo to change its shape. So I'm going to shape it star. Then I'm going to click on the sticker icon at the top right corner again. And I will click on this little icon right beside Tuesday again and choose another photo. I will tap on the photo to change its size. And then I will click on the sticker again, choose another photo. Then I will tap on it to change its shape again like this. Now after I create myself a collage, I can click on the arrow at the bottom right, click on share, click on done. And this is going to be shared on my Instagram story. So that's how we guys can make a photo collage on Instagram. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.